Hi, I'm Odessa Christiana, the vacation rental queen, and I'm here to share some tips today on cleaning and sanitizing your vacation rental. Now, some of you may know the difference already between cleaning and sanitizing, but just in case you don't, I'm going to explain quickly. So cleaning is the actual removal of dirt and debris and some germs from the surfaces, like sweeping the floor, taking out the trash, things like that. Sanitizing is when you use a chemical to actually kill the bacteria and the germs on the surface. And right now, in the state of this virus crisis that we're in, it's extremely important that you're killing those harmful bacteria. Okay, so I have a few things here that I want to just go over briefly with you, give you some tips on what to use. First of all, make sure you're masking up, okay? Whether it's a handy dandy little cloth mask or one of these N95s, make sure that you're protecting yourself. Use some disposable gloves, or if you want to use gloves, like dish gloves that you use over and over again, just make sure you're washing them really well after you do your cleaning with an antibacterial soap, okay? Or spray them with Lysol too. Okay, so the cleaning you're going to do, right? You're going to clean your vacation rental, you're going to clean all the surfaces with your typical soaps and things, and then you're going to want to sanitize. I'm assuming you guys already know how to clean, but we're really going to focus on the sanitizing today, okay? That's so important to go through and sanitize all of the hard surfaces in your vacation rental before your next guests come in. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. If you can get the Lysol today, at your local hardware store, grocery store, whatever, it's been a little bit hard to come by, but you may be able to find some of this. So you can use Lysol, follow the manufacturer's instructions on the can. That's really important. They're recommending that when you spray the surfaces, you just allow it to dry on there. Don't try wiping it off or anything. It needs that time to dry to kill the bacteria that could be on the surfaces. So you're going to sanitize all of the hard surfaces in your vacation rental. Things like doorknobs, light switches, countertops, toilets, faucets, electronics, any high-touch surfaces you're going to want to sanitize, okay? Very, very important. Now, if you can't get the Lysol, there's a couple other things that you can do. You can use a regular household bleach, just your typical bleach here. A sanitizing solution with bleach is a third cup to a gallon of water, okay? A third a cup of bleach to a gallon of water makes a great sanitizing solution. And with your gloves on, you can use a rag and dip into that and go around and wipe all of those surfaces that we talked about. That's one way you can do it if you can't get the Lysol. I also found this amazing blog from a site called One Essential Community, and I will actually put her blog in the description here so you can see it and you can go visit her site. She has all kinds of good stuff on there about cleaning in natural ways, which I love to do myself if at all possible. So basically she has a homemade Lysol spray on there that you can make, and it's basically using alcohol, and you wondered why I had vodka sitting on my table here, didn't you? You can even use a cheap grocery store or liquor store vodka, okay? And then it's basically that, and it's, she gives the specific recipe, but you use a few drops of essential oils in that mixture, and I think a little bit of hydrogen peroxide too. So you can check out her blog and get that recipe. I would really, really advise doing that if you can, because with the virus going around, you really don't want to be consistently breathing this, and your guests probably don't want to either. So consider going the natural route if you can. I hope that helped you today. And if you have what it takes to be a high vibe host, make sure and reach out to me. Bye.